All right, let's practice writing polynomials in standard form. So 1a says 7x minus 5 minus x to the third plus 6x to the fourth power minus 3x squared. And we want them to be in descending order from highest exponent to lowest exponent. So looking at this polynomial, I see that the highest degree is actually 4. So that means the 6x is going to be first. So when I get down to my answer, I'm going to write 6x to the fourth power as first. Okay, then the next one that I see is 3. So x cubed. Now this has a negative in front of it, so I'm actually going to take the entire negative 1x cubed, and that's going to be my second number in line. So negative x cubed. And then my next highest exponent I see is this second power. So I'm going to take this entire negative 3x squared, and that's going to be my third in line. So negative 3x squared. And then that 7x is to the first power. So that's going to be my fourth in line. So, and it's a positive. So it's going to be plus 7x. And then whatever is left over is my constant. So this negative 5 is my fifth number in line, so negative 5. And that right there is a polynomial in standard form. It's from highest exponent to no exponent.